In this video, we will set up our configuration and we will organize our database link, our port number, and finally our secret key. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's go back to our Visual Studio, and you want to create a new file and give it a name config.js. So config.js, and write the code right now. Database link, port number will be secret, and then I'm gonna give it arash. Alright, save this. So we want to go back to mlab, and you want to copy this entire thing. Copy it. Go back to your Visual Studio, and you want to paste it here. And let's, make it bigger. And delete this. Arash. And the pass will be ABC123. And the port number would be 3030. Save this. Module.export is a mean of exporting this entire file so that other file could use it. So let's give it a try. So let's go to server.js and right below here, config equals to require config. So this is how we actually require or import a local file. So since config is under server folder, so we just do ./config. So let's say if it's in under not module, then you want to do not modules config. So now we want to change this to config.port. Okay, and you want to remove this, and you want to class config.port. So right now we haven't saved this file yet, so let's go to our terminal and open this. And now magic happens on port 3030. So let's go ahead and change this to port awesome. Save this. It's still gonna be the same. Magic happens on port awesome 3030. So we managed to export the port number, and we managed to export this entire thing. So the next thing we want to do is we want to set up the database. Since we already import the mongoose dependency, now we can let our Express application communicate directly to use MongoDB database. So let's go to server.js, and right below here we're going to type in mongoose.connect, and then again, since we already put it in config.js, the link, so we can just go back here and we can type in config.database, and you want to type in the callback. If error, console log error. If there's no error, console log connected to the database. Save this, and let's go to our terminal, and boom, connected to the database. Mongoose.connect is a function to communicate directly to MongoDB database. In our case, we are communicating with the cloud MongoDB database, and then we pass in a callback function, or we call it arrow function. And then if there's an error, you want to log the error, else you want to show connected to the database. If you are at this stage, meaning we already successfully connected to the database. In this video, we'll learn on how to organize our database link, port number, secret key, and finally we managed to connect our Node.js to the MongoDB database. In the next section, Adam Peterson will walk you guys through the Angular part. He will set up the Angular and so on. He is an awesome instructor, and you guys will love him. I'll see you guys in the next section later on. Bye.